APKTool. In this video, we'll take a look at how APKTool can be used to decompile APK files. Open a command prompt and navigate to the Android APK file folder by typing cd the path to the folder. Type APKTool Android APK and press enter. This will start the decompiling process. Replace APK file name with the APK file name you want to decompile. Wait for the decompiling process to complete. Once done, you will see a new folder that has the same name as the APK file. Open the newly created folder and open the file named AndroidManifest.xml. It contains the app package, components, permissions, and other essential details. Next, navigate to the original folder. This folder contains the app's compiled code and resources in front of smali files. Use a text editor like Notepad++ or Sublime Text to open the smali files and view the app's compiled code.